My man, the master of mortgage, the magnificent one. What's going on in your world, Rich?
I did basically what you did. I took out my records from 6 to 9 months ago and started calling clients and just said, I didn't say I haven't heard from you. I said,
Beautiful.
Does it make sense to update you pre-approval?
Love
You know
it.
what? I'm glad you called because we're still looking.
Yeah.
And it was, I didn't embarrass them. I didn't say you didn't respond to my emails or anything like that. I just said, doesn't make sense to update your pre-approval. And I did leave a lot of voicemails, but the people that I got in touch with are like, you know what? That's probably a good idea. I do need a new pre-approval.
And you did the right thing. You know what? And again, guys, we are not attempting to be perfect here. We're not attempting to be X-Men and like work on some mind-melting thing where we're going to make somebody feel so bad they do, but that's not our style at Easton University. We're being good people. We're being professional people. Rich, of all people, and I am so excited that Rich raised his hand and unmuted himself, because if I had to pick one type of person that would never make that call, you know who I would pick? Rich. Nothing against you in particular, Rich. I would pick you because you're in what business? You're in mortgage. You have every right, excuse me, you have every right, Rich, to be a complainer, to be a naysayer, to be a negative whatever, and be like, oh, well, it's mortgage. Clearly they bought a house by now. That deal's 9 months old. I don't want to waste my time. And look, you didn't. You were like, oh, you know what? I'm going to try it. What's the worst that's going to happen? Instead of scrolling TikTok for an hour or thumbing through Facebook or complaining about politics, I'm going to call 30 people and just say, hey, calling to see if it makes sense to update your pre-approval. And you know what? Couple people were like, yeah, it does. Thanks for calling me. Same thing happened to me, Rich, right? The same thing could happen to all of us out here. I love that. Thank you for sharing that. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.